Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless connectivity with the Carlinkit for wireless Apple's CarPlay wireless Android Auto dongle mirror adapter dongle vehicle parts accessories. This little device is a game changer for anyone who's tired of dealing with tangled cords and limited connectivity options in their car. Let's talk about some of the amazing features of this product. First off, it's incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is install the app that comes with the product on your navigation host, and you're ready to go. The wireless connection is stable and smooth, thanks to the automotive-grade chips that power this device. And speaking of speed, the wireless transmission rate is up to 5.8 GHz, which means you can count on fast data transmission and low delays. But that's not all. This dongle offers a variety of connection methods, including support for wired connections. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 6 and later models with iOS 10 and above, as well as Android 9.0 or above for wireless Android Auto. And if you're a Huawei/Honor user, this dongle also offers support for the wireless HiCar function. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it really worth it? Absolutely. This product is made with high-quality materials, including ABS+PC, and comes in two sleek color options, black and white. It's lightweight, compact, and designed to be easy to install and use. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car's connectivity and enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, I highly recommend checking out the Carlinkit for wireless Apple's CarPlay wireless Android Auto dongle mirror adapter dongle vehicle parts accessories. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting reviews and recommendations coming your way. See you in the next video.